how do you feel like the apprenticeship helped you?
It definitely helped in a lot of ways. I mean, one, just building out the projects and getting those daily feedbacks on a project helps out, because one of the main things that they do ask you on the interviews is how do you go about, as far as getting the requirements, testing those requirements against, and how do you speak to the business, or in our case the director, which is Ali, and then the middle person, which is Kofi, and how everything kind of goes around as far as sprints and things of that nature. Because up until the internship, I didn't really know a lot about sprints and retrospective, and how those kind of connect to each other. So that definitely helps in the interview process. And the main thing that I point out in the interview process was the project that me and my team built. So that definitely made it a lot easier than just showing a one-page dashboard. I'm actually able to show a full report, and actually have real world data on those reports, and how that data came from SQL, instead of just saying I got this data from from whatever. I can actually say, this is how we got it from SQL. This is how the store procedure was built, even though, Ali was building it and we were just watching it. But I can at least say, hey, our ETL team built this data. This is how they brought it into a store procedure, brought it into a view. And this is the reason why we use the view instead of just a direct store procedure, because that's kind of how the whole building blocks came to be about. So it definitely helps in that regard.